Hello guys, it is Research Series, and in this session I want to speak about how to form and produce a simple SPSS file and how to enter your data from Excel or from your research into a SPSS file. So let's begin. After opening SPSS file, you will see two options here: data view and variable view. And first I start with variable view. In variable view you must define all of your variables. For example, one of the variables can be age of, for example, patients. The other one, their gender, and the other variables that are involved in your research, for example. And you must know that there are symbols that can't be used in the, for example, variables, and I use a space here, and the spaces tells me that it is an illegal character. Similarly, you can't use dash or other symbols, and most of them are banned by SPSS. So in the first column you must define the names, and the second column in the second column you must determine if the variable is, for example, quantitative or qualitative, or other types of variable that are available here. If your variable is quantitative, then you can use numeric, but if it is, for example, qualitative, you can use string. And width is the width of each cell in the data view, and it is not very important. And decimals are the decimals used in the numbers you are putting in your file. And the label is for your own information. For example, I write here kilogram, and after, for example, 6 months, when I'm returning to this file, I can look at this cell, and I will find out that my definition for weight is defined as weight in kilogram. And values is a very important part of this sheet, and you can use it to define your qualitative features. And why should you do this? Because SPSS can analyze and can handle data that are given to it in quantitative form, and it can't analyze them when they are inserted in a qualitative form. So you can use these values to transform your qualitative values to quantitative ones. For example, I write here 1 and write here male and add it to this box. It means that when I'm typing, for example, male in my dataset, it means it will be translated to 1, or when I'm writing 1, it will be shown male, and 2 for female. You write the quantitative variable here and the qualitative variable here, and add. Okay. And there are some other things here. For example, the alignment means the alignment of the data in the each cell, right alignment or left alignment. And I don't have anything special to do with this item. And here is the options you have for your variable. For example, you can uh, use it, you can put it in ordinal or nominal format for a qualitative variable, or you can define it in scale, ordinal or nominal for a quantitative variable. And it is not, again, very important. It is important, but it doesn't affect your analysis. So I go here, and the defined variables are shown here: age, gender, and weight, and you can put whatever you want here. So I want to show you a field sheet here, and as you see here, I have gender inserted here as numbers, and by clicking this item here, it will be transformed to the qualitative values. Also, you can transform it by this option, view, and then value labels, and it will again transform from one form to another. And so now I want to enter my data from a Excel file, and I here open a new sheet, and in order to transfer your data from an Excel file to the SPSS file, you must go to import data and then choose Excel. So you must choose the Excel file you want to use as a source of data, and you find it, and it is my file, and you wait for the software to process. And here you must choose which sheet of the Excel file will be transferred here. And I know I have 3 sheets, and my data is in the first sheet of the Excel file. And there's a very important tip, that you must insert the names of your variables in the first row of the Excel file. And for this purpose, you choose this option, read variable names from first row of data, and you choose OK. As you see here, my data and the variable names have been transformed to the SPSS file, and they have also been transferred here in variable view, and you have easily made a SPSS file without manually entering data one by one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And you should know we also have a scientific English editing service, Editing Masters, which receives orders from authors who wish their manuscripts to be published in high-impact journals. If you wish the same, you can send your manuscript to this email address for language editing. See you soon.